A family that prays together stays together. Remember that and work on it and make sure you do it. Yeah, I was here in 2014, and man, what a difference 9 years make. How beautiful it is here to be here. Thank you, Mahat Swami. Thank you to all the Swamis who do so much for the community. It is really a beautiful day. I just can't, there are not enough adjectives in the English language to explain what I saw today. Not enough. There will never be enough. And I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for what you've done and the difference you made in our community. Winston Churchill said, you make a living by what you earn, you make a life by what you give. So make sure you continue giving. This place would not look like what it does without the volunteers. And I looked at all the hours that are committed to all the work that happens. Keep up the great work, because it is a beautiful facility.